Back on the road again today. About 2.5 hours. Back on the road again. On the road again. Clamps on all the wheels, like the clamp on the seat post. Bikes are all locked up, locked and loaded, ready to go. Oh, we got a messy RV. Messy, messy, messy. All right, pretty much all cleaned up. Time to get things unhooked. We're going down. All right. Jack it up. Time to disconnect that water, turn it off at the spigot, and grab my outside shower and let the pressure release. Disconnect you. And the mud got my hose all dirty. Darn it. Okay, last step is disconnecting the power, and we're back on the road. Go lock up all the compartments, and that's it. All right, we're leaving Jellystone. We are Austin, Texas bound. See you guys on the road. So long, Jellystone. That was a cool RV park. Probably one of my favorites so far. Jellystone Park, Guadalupe River. There's Yogi Bear. Bye, Yogi.
And Daddy.
Yeah.
We didn't make the Mario Kart.
That's okay. That art. That's scraping the roof, huh? Oh well. Oh, I gotta pee so bad. We're in the middle of the city and there's nowhere to stop. I gotta pee so bad, and every exit I take, there's nowhere to stop. We almost hit a freaking bridge because the crossing underneath the bridge was so low. Luckily, we moved over right in time. Oh, barely made it pee. We ran under a low tree and almost hit a low bridge. That was super stressful. Looks like everything's still where it's supposed to be, luckily. Woo! Scrape has been buried. All right, good to go. Finish this drive. 15 minutes left.
No, I'm just gonna pee really quick. Carlo, show it back. The traffic, he said.
Back on the road to pick up our car, and then we're gonna head to our campsite. We just picked up the car, got to see our cousin, and I'm gonna go put these car seats in the car. All the boys want to ride in the car. No one wants to ride in the RV anymore. I'll get a little break that way. I got it, guys, don't worry. All right, Allie's got all the kids in the car now, behind me, right there. Oh, not that one. Behind me in the rear view, you can see. And we're gonna head to our campground now, get situated. We're gonna be there for the next 4 days, so that'll be nice to relax for a while. All right, just exited the freeway. We're about a mile from our campsite. All right, there it is. Redbud Ranch. Nice place. Very nice place. Alright, go check in. Looks like they got a little store there. Ice and firewood. That's good. Alright.
Steven got to enjoy a 30-minute quiet ride. I did not.
There we are, right here. 353. Just got parked in our campsite now, and gonna get all set up. Do power, water, and sewer. Get the slides out. Get the levelers done. Surge protector. Make sure the 50 amp power is off or in. Plug in my connection. And power on. Pretty good. You have it seamless, no grips. Connect it. Coil tight. Okay. All right, then we pull the black. Get the black empty. Then we pull the gray to rinse it out. Go straight into our city water fill connection, which is this one here. Screw this in. We're actually gonna screw lefty tighty instead of lefty loosey. I like to use a water filter because you never know the quality of water you're getting from these spigots. And mine has a water flow regulator on it, and it has this bendy to make sure that the connection is good with the filter to the spigot. See, as you can see, it's got a bend at an angle here. So that if I didn't have this bendy here, this would have to go straight down and it would not work on this spigot. I couldn't use my water filter if I didn't have that bendy hose there. So that's what it's for. Our water's hooked up, our sewer's hooked up, and our power is hooked up. All right, so we're off level on the right side. But first, I'm gonna push this manual button. So the jacks work in twos. So when you push the front down, it takes the front 2 jacks down. So I'm gonna start by lifting the front off the ground. You always wanna do front to rear, and then you wanna go side to side. So I'm gonna bring the front down until we're off the ground an inch or 2. There we go. Now it sensed that the rear is now unlevel. So we're gonna do the same thing to the rear and level that out. Until that light goes off. Now we're gonna bring the right 2 jacks down. And now our green light is flashing and we are all leveled out. And it's always important to come down here and make sure all 4 jacks are on the ground, and they are. And that's it. Then you push the off button and you're all done. All right, so first slide out, the bedroom slide out. It's hot outside, so it probably expanded a little bit. And it's squeaking. The main room slide out. Something I never forget to do is make sure the seat is all the way up, because otherwise it will hit the seat when it's trying to slide out. Again, hold the out button until it goes all the way. And then today we're just kind of setting up and leaving. I'm gonna draw all these shades. Put this shade down. This helps a lot with keeping it cool because we're gonna go eat right now. We just traveled quite a bit and we're really hungry. I'm gonna draw this shade. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crank these ACs on, full blast. Still gotta undo the e-bikes, but I'll do those later. We're not gonna ride those right now. We'll probably ride those tonight to the pool because the pool is actually kind of far away from our site. But everything is looking good. I'm gonna slide the awning out to, while we're here, give us some more shade just to help it cool off. It's so hot.
So hot.
I think it's hotter here than it was where we were yesterday. And maybe when we get back tonight, we'll go to the pool, but we're gonna go eat, hang out with our family, and we'll check in with you guys later on. We're back from hanging with the family. Gonna go swim a little bit.
Good night, YouTube. Good night, YouTube. Good night, YouTube.
If you enjoyed this episode, watch the other episodes of our road trip, and we got more stuff, awesome adventures coming tomorrow. Catch you on the next one. Adios.